Follow along for a step-by-step to cover a paperback book with fabric. In this video, we are working on a pocket dictionary. For supplies, we have fabric, fusible interfacing, ribbon trim, scissors, glue, a straight edge ruler, washi tape, alphabet lettering, masking tape, and accessories. First, we are going to cut the fusible interfacing to size. I cut a few milliliters shorter around the edges to prevent bulk, because I will be hemming the fabric and adding the ribbon trim. Once the interfacing is cut to size, we will mark where the spine of our book lies and fuse to our fabric. Trace the book onto the fabric and add a few milliliters of seam allowance. To make it more easier and accurate, I used washi tape to trace out the seam allowance, and then I cut off the excess fabric. To have clean edges, we use washi tape to mark the fold lines. Then we are going to iron those lines flat. Here I am showing that those folds should be flush with the book's edges. Now that we have our flat seams, we are going to grab some glue and an applicator. We are going to cut the excess fabric from the corners and glue directly inside the line of the edge and then press flat. This will only require a small amount of glue. Our fabric is ready to go, so it's time to glue on our ribbon trim. We are using E6000 because a small amount of glue can give us a great hold. To prevent sticky pages, we added some paper underneath the cover page. Next, we are going to grab our liquid stitch and apply a thin, even layer of glue onto the book's cover and directly on the hem of the fabric. Press the fabric onto the book, starting at the corner edges and smoothing as you go, working one side at a time. Lastly, we will add our lettering using E6000 glue and masking tape, which helps keep all the letters aligned. It takes a few hours to dry in place, but it will be completely dry once it no longer smells like glue. Thanks for watching.